Good morning! Welcome to Mariel Lesson Channel. So guys, parang umuulan dito sa aming bungsod.
And yes, still rainy season pa rin dito sa Siargao. This morning, kinausap ako ng asawa ko. Sabi niya, gusto daw niya manghuli ng isda or mamana yung panain like yung ginagawa ko. Sabi ko, definitely yes. Tuturuan kita kung paano mamana ng isda for more information. Kasi marami talaga napasabi, bakit walang kaalam-alam yung asawa mo sa dagat? Kasi yung asawa ko, he was growing up in the farm in Australia. So we are totally opposite. Because I was growing up sa dagat with my tatay is mangingisda. Kaya marami talaga akong mga experience or ideas kung paano po mabuhay sa dagat. Pagdating naman sa asawa ko sa fruit picking ay very expert po talaga ang asawa ko sa pamimitas. At napakasipag po talaga dahil ilang kahon talaga ang napipitas niya a day and also halos 7 days a week po nagtatrabaho ang asawa ko sa pamimitas ng pruta. Kaya I'm always proud to my husband no matter what. Ang buhay namin sa Australia ay abunda po talaga kami ng prutas dahil taga-pitas po kami. So for how many years po ako sa Australia, ito po talaga ang naging buhay namin. It's about farming kasi ito ang nakasanayan ng asawa ko na pamumuhay. Ang dami ko din talagang natutunan sa asawa ko sa pamimitas ng prutas dahil siya po talaga ang nagturo sa akin lahat kung paano po mamitas ng prutas. At hindi ko po yun matutunan kung hindi rin po mataas ang pasensya ng asawa ko dahil napakabait ng asawa ko. Napakataas po talaga ng pasensya niya. As in, wala po talaga siyang pressure or hindi po ako minamadali. Walang pressure, walang stress until eventually na nasanay lang din talaga ako. So, sa Australia pa lang talaga kaming mag-asawa ay nagtutulungan po talaga kami magtrabaho kasi I'm always supportive to my husband talaga. Hindi madali ang trabaho namin sa Australia bilang taga-pitas pero palagi talaga nasa isip ko kailangan mong maging masipag para mabuhay. Kasi believe me or not, kahit saan ka man, nasa Pinas ka man, nasa Australia ka man, or saan bansa ka man, kung hindi po kayo masipag at wala po kayong diskarte sa buhay, wala din po kayong mararating sa buhay. To be honest lang po yan guys. Kailangan mo lang talagang maging masipag para mabuhay dito sa mundo.
So ito po yung mga saging na binarter natin sa isda, sabi ni David. It's a barter. Yung parang iswap mo sa isda to saging. Ang dami po naming saging. Within a few days, hihinog na po yan. At ang lalaki po talaga ng saging. Swerte po namin. Ito yung kamote. Maya-maya magluto po tayo. Ang lalaki po ng kamote. Tsaka masarap to. Bagong harvest nila. Maya-maya, lulutuin natin to. Pag marami kaming isda mahuli, mag-lunch po tayo. Tingnan nyo po guys, oh, yung kahoy. Dahil kumita po kami, nakapangbili po kami ng kahoy. Dave!
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go to catch fish na. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Come here na. I already have an uling here guys. So, magsugba tayo kung may squid po dyan. If you have to make sure na pupunuin mo ito. You have to make sure that full of fish this one.
Okay,
Huh?
I'll make sure.
Tara. Oh, Dave, it's rain and shine again.
Yeah.
It's raining. Are you ready to swim? David is ready to swim in the bungsod para mag-catch na po kami ng isda. Dave, let's go.
Go.
Pumangit na naman po yung weather. We have a mask na. Umulan, bumagyo. Continue on catching fish. Just do what I say and listen. So we can catch lots of fish today.
Okay.
I'm your teacher na. Come on. Yes, be careful. Si David po, ay hindi po siya masyadong marunong mag-dive. So, siguro practice lang po talaga siya ngayon. Follow me, honey. Oh my God. Oh, ang pangit ng panahon. Biglang pumangit ang panahon. Oh, super lamig kasi mahangin. Look at the weather. Tingnan niyo po yung dagat, oh.
Windy.
Very windy at saka biglang lumaki yung alon. Ang hirap po lumangoy. We're nearly there, Dave. We're nearly there. Yeah. Dave is feeling tired now. This is the stonefish.
Yeah, it's very ugly, isn't it?
You have to be careful. Bawal mo yan maapakan. Napakasakit. Very poisonous yan. Very venomous. So lucky, nakita agad natin. Na-spot agad natin. Oh. Napakadelikado to. Oh, pumasok pa rin to sa bungsod namin. Bad news po guys dahil wala pong masyadong isda. Pero meron din pong good news dahil marami pong langbay. Dave, there is a lot of crabs.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's not many fish. Merong isda pero walang masyado, Dave. So honeybee, you have to pana the fish. Do you know how to aim?
I'll try.
You just have to like this
Yeah.
and let go. Pull it
Pull it.
like this
I might go.
and let go. Do you know how?
I'll try.
You try. Huh. Tingnan muna natin. You have to dive. Do you know how to dive?
I don't know if I can.
Huh?
My ears, I don't know if I can do it properly or not.
Does it hurt your?
Probably, it's a long way down.
That's right.
I'll try, but
I will teach you.
I don't know.
Parang sabi niya parang mahihirapan siya kasi medyo high tide po kasi ngayon eh. So ganyan po talaga. Pag high tide, kailangan mo mag-dive. That's how it's work, Dave. If it's high tide, you have to go under the water to dive to shoot the fish.
Yeah.
And there's a crab. Do not shoot the crabs, huh? Do not
Yes.
shoot the crabs. We're gonna use the other one. This is what we're gonna use to catch the crabs.
Oh,
We
really?
don't wanna shoot it kasi otherwise madadamage siya. Baka mataba pa naman yung crabs. Kinakain po yung pots ng crabs. Masarap yun. So, and Dave, let's start na.
Yeah.
Don't be nervous. Parang nini-nervous si Dave. Are you alright?
I'm not sure if I can go that deep.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
But just try. Just have to practice, honey.
Yeah.
Hold your breath and then try to look the fish. If you can sight the fish straight away, you just have to do this.
Yeah.
See? You have to do that.
Yeah.
So first, ipinakita ko muna sa asawa ko kung paano po panain yung isda. At ito na po, it's David's turn. Actually, this is an edited video para makita nyo po talaga how my husband is struggling dahil hindi po talaga marunong yung asawa ko mag-dive. I don't know, for somehow yung katawan niya ay hindi nagsisink. So nandito lang talaga ako sa likod ng asawa ko, tinuturo ko sa kanya. Support lang po talaga si Marie Lassen. At sabi ko sa asawa ko, never give up. Hanapin mo lang yung isda at isight mo lang para mapana. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo po yung asawa ko. May nakita siyang butiti. Hindi niya na alam kung saan po ang papanain, yung isda ba or yung butiti. At pinakita ko ulit sa asawa ko. Sabi ko, ganito lang ang gagawin mo. Pag na-sight mo na yung isda, i-let go mo agad yung pana, i-pull mo agad. So,
So that's how you shoot the fish, Dave.
Yeah.
Ayan. Yung unang isda na pinana natin. You wanna try?
Very hard for me to do it. I think I float too much.
You float too much? Nahirapan si David, hindi pa nga siya nakapala. So, like what I said, wala pong masyadong isda ngayon. Pero, marami pong crabs. Unahin natin yung isda. Oh! Buhay pa. There's more fish pa.
Yeah.
Floating kasi yung asawa ko. Parang parang hindi nagsisink in yung katawan niya.
Oh, look, the fish right next to me like this far.
The fish?
Yeah.
Yung fish daw nag-swim next to him. Tutusukin yung puwit mo dyan,
Look,
Dave.
it might bite me.
Ha?
Is it gonna bite me?
He might bite you? Oh my God, Dave. He will bite
It
your
is.
bum.
It's coming at me.
Yeah, he will bite your bum.
It's coming at my
Maybe
feet.
you have a stinky bum.
It wants to bite me.
Huh?
It wants to bite me.
So, Dave, This is what we're gonna use
Oh,
to catch the crabs. You
yeah.
want me to show you first?
Yeah.
Okay. Just watch, okay?
Yeah, I want.
You have to be careful because the crabs might bite us.
Really?
Might bite you. Okay? We
Okay.
dive together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Did you watch?
Yeah.
I caught it.
Really?
Yeah, I caught it.
Yeah, I see.
Huh?
I see.
Good job. Watch out, Dave.
Yeah.
Watch out. Ayan. Unang ano yun? Langbay.
Yeah.
There's big one. You wanna do it?
I don't know. I'm just gonna float.
Ayaw niya talaga. I thought this morning you said you're gonna do it. You're gonna catch fish for me.
I didn't know how hard it is.
I didn't know how hard it is. Just watch then. Just watch so you will
Yeah.
learn.
Okay.
Okay? Like what I said, we do not assume na straight away maka-learn si Dave. So, hanapin natin yung ibang crabs.
It's amazing how Marielle's catching the fish. It's really hard for me. I definitely can't beat her at fishing, only picking fruit.
And more crab!
It's a lot.
Yeah. I can't wait. Uwi na tayo dun sa bahay. Because I'm very hungry na. I'm gonna eat this one, honey. You wanna eat?
Yeah.
We should eat. It's very fresh. Napaka ano, galit na galit talaga to na crab sa akin eh. Nag-skip na siya. Ay. Wow! Ang dami ng crab! Masaya talaga ako kahit isda or crab basta papasok po sa bungsod. Super saya na po ako. I will catch crabs for you and the fish so we can have lunch. Very delicious lunch.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Oh, kunin natin yung isa. I think yun na ata yung last eh. Good job. Watch out, Dave.
Yeah.
Watch out. Look at this, honey. It's a very big prawn.
Really, a prawn.
Wait. Oh my God. I'm excited ako. Look this one.
Yeah.
Hold this one. Malaking prawn, honey. Wow. Wait. Hold this one for me.
Yeah.
Oh. Hold. Put it up, honey. Put it up. Put it up, honey. That's a big prawn. Wow. Look at this. Ah! Ang laki. Look at this, Dave.
Fast.
Oh my God. Ang laki, guys. Look. Put it up, honey.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Can really move.
Oh my God, ang laki! Gusto ko itong kainin. Masarap to, mataba to, mataba. Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Oh! Wow!
It's a big
Yes,
one.
it's a big one!
Yeah.
Oh my God, ang taba nito! Ang sarap! Sana maraming pumasok, isa lang po. Oh! Nilamig na ako. Sarap nito!
At sa wakas, nakauwi na po kami sa bahay at ito lang po ang nakuha namin. Mas more on crabs po tayo ngayon. Wala po tayong masyadong isda at ganyan po kami kasaya. At nilinisan ko agad yung isda dahil gutom na po talaga kami ni David. And of course, gutom na po ako. Magsugba po tayo. And of course, lulutuin po natin yung nahuli nating crabs. Oh my God, this is very fresh crab po talaga at napakasarap po talaga. So, papakuluan lang po natin yung mga crabs dahil mas prepare ko po yun. Mas masarap po yun. Oh my God guys, yung malaking prawn.
Wow! Tignan niyo po guys, oh. Ang daming laman. Ito yung malaking alimango. Tingnan natin ito, yung lambay. Init. Ayan. You better eat this one, Darb.
Really?
Really? There's the fish, honey.
Yeah.
Help yourself. I'm so hungry.
That's good.
You have a spoon. Nagkamay na ako sa sobrang gutom. Crab. I will open for you. Crab. This is really good, Dave. Really good. It's a big one.
Yeah.
If you buy this one, it's very expensive. Lucky may pumasok sa bungsod. Try it. Eat it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, mas malaman yung sayo. Sarap. Oh. Usually kasi pag ikananan niyo siya, may lalabas yan. Ay, hindi lumabas. Sarap guys. Sobrang takaw ko na po. Yan, ito yung prawn, oh, yung malaki. Oh, ang taba. Mataba. Grabe, oh. Ang taba talaga siya. Oh, grabe. Ang laki ng laman. Oh, my goodness. Sarap. Sobrang sarap. Kain po muna kami. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Bye!
Bye.
Sarap. The kamote is really good. It's very moist. Yeah. Hopefully the next day marami tayong mahuli na isda kasi 2 days ago ang dami namin nahuli. Ngayon walang masyadong laman. Guys! Uwi na po kami sa lungsod dahil hindi na po maulan. And every time po na umuwi ako sa lungsod, dinadala ko talaga yung basura namin. So syempre mga basura lang din namin to na ginagamit namin kung ano mga tinatapon naming basura. Well, of course, kailangan po natin alagaan yung environment. Hindi ko lang po to tinatapon sa dagat na. Dinadala ko talaga to at least every 2 days or pag pumupunta yung magulang ko dito, pinapadala ko talaga yung basura namin. Yay! We're going to the big city? Yeah. We're going to the big city. There's a road na daw dahil wala ditong highway. Meron na daw simento. Makakita na siya ng simento. Where are we going, darling? We're going to the city? You stay here. Me and Daddy only going to the city. Big city! Big city! Okay, let's go na. We're going to the big city now?
Yes, Mommy!
Tara, handa na po kami.
Yay! 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 Yay!
At ganyan po kasaya ang mga taong taga-gitna ng dagat. Actually, akala ni Sylvester, pupunta po kami sa city, which is going to the lungsod. To get in the lungsod, at least it's take around 20 to 25 minutes. Depende din po sa weather. Kasi sometimes talaga pag umuwi kami, napakalaki ng wave, napakalaking alon. Medyo cloudy ang panahon ngayon dahil umulan talaga kanina. Pero the most important ay hindi po malalaki yung alon kasi ayaw ko po talaga mag-travel pag malaki yung alon. And of course, basa na po yung yung mukha ko dahil tumatalsik pa rin po yung dagat sa mukha namin, pati po si Sylvester at ang asawa ko. So usually, pag nagta-travel kami, pag kailangan namin pumunta sa lungsod, and especially po pag magbebenta kami ng isda, kailangan talaga namin umuwi sa lungsod or mamimili kami ng pagkain. I guess this kind of life na ini-enjoy talaga namin magpamilya, yung palagi kami nagta-travel kasama, yung parang nag-explore lang kami, parang nag-island hopping lang kami na hindi namin kailangan magbayad kasi we have our own boat. So, di ba guys? So, okay lang talaga siya, this kind of life, as long as masaya kayo magkasama, magpamilya. And finally, nandito na po tayo sa lungsod dahil may nakikita na tayong mga bahay. Malapit lang din po sa mangroves.
Yay!
We just arrived. It's a good day. Say hi, Sylvester. Look,
Hey,
someone's swimming.
we're swimming.
You wanna swim?
Yeah.
Oh no. Maybe later.
Please.
Later na mag-swim
Wait,
tayo.
what is that?
Si Hanay, hi
I
muna.
wanna swim, Mommy. What those?
Gusto kong maligo. Palagi ka nalaligo doon sa bungsod.